Chapter 15 guidelines B3, B4, and B5 all deal with delivery. 15b3 is an episode when no delivery occurs. In episodes when no delivery occurs, the principal diagnosis should correspond to the principal complication of the pregnancy which necessitated the encounter. Should more than one complication exist, all of which are treated or monitored, any of the complication codes may be sequenced first. Guideline 15b4 deals with when a delivery does occur. Our scenario states, maternal patient with diet-controlled gestational diabetes was admitted at 39 weeks gestation in obstructed labor due to breech presentation. Cesarean performed for the male presentation. The correct codes are O64.1XX0, O24.420, Z3A.39, and Z37.0. The rationale in this case is that the obstructed labor is the condition that led the patient to being admitted and should be selected as the principal diagnosis with other Chapter 15 codes following. I will now take you through the encoder to path each code. The first code, O64.1XX0, the path is delivery complicated by obstructed labor due to breech presentation. That leads us to O64.1. When we click that, it takes us to the tabular where we have obstructed labor due to breech presentation. There is no mention of multiples, so we use the 0 for a single gestation. Our next code, O24.420, the path is diabetes, gestational, in childbirth, diet controlled. O24.420. You can click on it. Gestational diabetes mellitus in childbirth, diet controlled. Our weeks of gestation code, Z3A.39. We know how to find that code, so I won't go through that one. And our final code is outcome of delivery. Single live born. Z37.0. Single live birth. Our last scenario had an outcome of delivery code, and that is guideline 15b5. A code from category Z37, outcome of delivery, should be included on every maternal record when a delivery has occurred. These codes are not to be used on subsequent records or on the newborn record.